Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's continue learning Kachin Jinghpaw Language in English. Today's topic is the stages of the human life. I'm Miss Bokraglatsgla, freelance language teacher. Thanks for joining with me. Yong with your kamjangao ga, Dainina ga bogo, Shinggyim prat a, ninggam madang ni Ngwi re, ndai cha ngai chet rao. Jinghpaw ga English ga phe khajalaga. So let's talk about what are the stages of the human life in this lesson. All stages are listed here orderly. Let's see them. Firstly, pregnancy stage. Pregnancy in Kachin Jinghpaw Dingkuli ai lam or na na sin re ailam or magun ailam. Another stage is newborn baby, ma chingai madang. Infancy, ma ngai den. Toddler, nan lam khom jiwa ai ma gasha. Childhood, ma prat. After childhood stage, puberty stage comes. Puberty in Kachin Jinghpaw Konram prat. Konram prat is for girl and Brangram prat, that is for boy. Older adolescents in Kachin Jinghpaw Konji prat, Brangji prat or Ram prat. After that, adulthood stage comes. Adulthood in Kachin Jinghpaw Gongkung prat or Wangan prat. Middle age in Kachin Jinghpaw Slang prat for men. Slang John or Dujan prat for women. Senior years or the stage of old age in Kachin Jinghpaw Asakaba ai gumgai, that is for old woman, and Asakaba ai dingla, that's for old men, or Wugut gu ai masha. All those are the stages of the human life. We are going to talk about some additional information of every stage from this slide. So let's start from the first stage, pregnancy. I think you still remember in Kachin Jinghpaw. Dingkuli ailam, na na sin re ailam, magun ailam. I will use magun ailam for this lesson. Here is a beautiful process in the pregnancy stage. That is, the living life is forming in a mother's womb. In Kachin Jinghpaw, nswe nsa rongai Shinggyim shago gnu a khidung go krang go gablet glugabawa ai. Mother's womb in Kachin Jinghpaw gnu a khidung or gnu a kan. Question: are you pregnant? Kasan in Kachin Jinghpaw nang magun ai e. Answer: I am not pregnant. I am a man. Matai ngai ma ngunai ngai go la she re. So this question has to be correctly asked. The pregnancy in Kachin Jinghpaw ma kum ludo. Let's see the question and answer. Question: how long does the human pregnancy last? Kasan Shinggyim ma kum ludo go gde na ai rai. Answer: the pregnancy lasts about 40 weeks. Matai ma kum ludo go pat mali shidram na ai. Due date in Kachin Jinghpaw ma shingai na madu mit mada ton da ai ning thoi. You see the date 25th December. Look at due date is on Christmas Day. In Kachin Jinghpaw, Bada yu u due date go Christmas ntwe ta re. Here is a newborn baby stage. Newborn baby in Kachin Jinghpaw ma Jingai madang. Question: when was a baby born? In Kachin Jinghpaw ga san ma Jingai galue shingai ai rai. Answer: a baby was born yesterday. Matai ma Jingai go mani shingai ai. When every newborn baby comes into the world, such important data are officially recorded. They are date of birth, time of birth, body weight of the baby, and the length of body of the baby. Date of birth in Kachin Jinghpaw ma shingai ai ntwe. Time of birth ma shingai ai aten. Body weight ma kum krang gade li ai lam. Length of body of baby ma kum krang gade glu ai lam. Ma jingai lengai shingai ten tha. Dai japan lamang ni phe masing darai. Here is the infancy stage. Infancy in Kachin Jinghpaw ma ngai ten. When a newborn baby is growing slowly, the baby is called infant. Newborn in Kachin Jinghpaw ma jingai. Infant in Kachin Jinghpaw ma nga kasha. The infancy is the period from birth through to age 1. Ma ngai ten go, ma shingai ai aten ko na asak lening mi aten ding yang re. The infancy is the earliest part of childhood. In Kachin Jinghpaw, ma ngai ten go, ma prat a shong dik tu mai magana do re. Baby in Kachin Jinghpaw ma gaji. Very young child ma gasha. Childhood ma prat. Here is toddler stage. Toddler in Kachin Jinghpaw nan lam kom jiwa ai ma gasha. When a child becomes the toddler stage, a child will walk, run, because crawling step is successfully over. Crawl verb in Kachin Jinghpaw wa kom ai, walk, lam kom ai, run, gagad ai. A boy is walking. In Kachin Jinghpaw la gashat langai lam kom do ai. Toddler years in Kachin Jinghpaw nan lam kom jiwa ai ma gasha brat. Toddler years are from the first walking step to age 3. Nan lam kom jiwa ai go na asak masum ning du kra go ma brat re. It is also the end of early childhood. In Kachin Jinghpaw ma brat nan do mong mutsai. Childhood in Kachin Jinghpaw ma brat. The period from ages 4 to 8 is the childhood life. Asak mali ning ko na masat ning lado go ma brat re. Children like playing a lot. In Kachin Jinghpaw ma ni go gun sup ai phe Grai ra shrong I. Here, we are going to talk about the significance of childhood life in this slide. Dai tha ma prat a lak lai a kyak ai lampe sundanare. By the age of 8, in Kachin Jinghpaw, a sak masat ningdram tha. Let's say by the age of 8, child learns about birth and death. Asak masat ningdram tha mago shingai jinkai ai lam o asak krungai lam the si krung si tan lam phe churin la sai. Second sentence, let's say by the age of 8, child learns already that there is one and only life. Asak masat ning dram tha mago nswe nsa langai che aprat langai sha ngai phe shirin la na jena sai. Here is puberty stage. Puberty in Kachin Jinghpaw khon ram prat, that is for girl, and brang ram prat, that is for boy. Puberty is the period from ages 9 to 13. It is the beginning of adolescence. In Kachin Jinghpaw, khon ram prat, brang ram prat go, asak chkuning ko na, shi masum ning lado re, ram prat a, shong do magana aprat re. Adolescence in Kachin Jinghpaw, ram prat. A child's body begins to develop and change to become an adult. In Kachin Jinghpaw, ma a kum krango gong kungai mashal ngai bin Taiwan amadu glu gaba pangwa ai glai shaiwa ai. Adult in Kachin Jinghpaw gong kungai masha. Older adolescence stage. Older adolescence in Kachin Jinghpaw khonji prat, that's the for female, brangji prat, that is the for male, and ram prat, commonly say. The older adolescence is the period from ages 14 to 18. Ram prat go asak shi malining go na shi besat ning ladok dukrare. Asak shi malining go na shi besat ning ladok dukrare. Adulthood stage. Okay, adulthood in Kachin Jinghpaw, gongkung prat, wangan prat. The adulthood is starting from age 19 up to the end of life. Gongkung prat go asak lado shichkuning ko na asak siyay tendukrare. The end of life in Kachin Jinghpaw asak siyay ten. Middle age in Kachin Jinghpaw slang prat, that is the for male, slang jan prat or dujan prat, that is the for woman. Middle age is from age 31 to age 50. Slang prat, chinrai slang jan prat, dujan prat, go asak lado, sumshi langai ning go na mga shining dukrare. Senior years or old age. In Kachin Jinghpaw, asakgaba ay gumgay for women, asakgaba ay dingla for men, for commonly, ugudgu ay masha. Senior years or old age is from age 51 until the end of life. Wugudgu ay masha ko asak lado mga silangay ningko na asak siya dendukrare from in Kachin Jinghpaw ko na until in Kachin Jinghpaw dukra. We have been talking about the stages of a human life. Let's talk about briefly about the human life in this slide. The human life has 3 parts. Shinggyim prata domsum ngai. They are body, kumkrang in Kachin Jinghpaw, soul. In this part, mind, emotion, wills are included. Soul in Kachin Jinghpaw, meat, grow, meat machine. And another part is spirit, weni. Those 3 parts, body, soul, and spirit, constantly develop and change at every stage. In Kachin Jinghpaw, ninggam madang shgutha, daido masumte, kumkrang, mit winingo, dingyang galay shenga ai. Constantly developing and changing process of a human life. In Kachin Jinghpaw, dingyang galay shenga ai, Shinggyim prat mabin lam tha. Food, knowledge, belief are the fuel for those changes. In Kachin Jinghpaw, maluk masha, maje majang, makam masham go, dai khu galay shai nga ai mabin lam tha, wan nshat re. Food. In Kachin Jinghpaw, maluk masha, knowledge, maje majang, belief, makam masham, fuel, wan nshat. Proper nutrition and exercise ensure health and wellness at every stage. Ninggam madang shgutha, tabtuk ay maluk masha te, kumkrang shmu shmot ay lam ni go, kam gaja lam te, asak glu gaba ay lam pe, denkra glo lom nga ay, ensure. Denkra glo lom nga ai. This is the last slide of this lesson. Only a person who lives up to the senior years stage will have the experiences on those stages of the human life. Wugudgu ay mashawa jusha, ndai tha madunda ay Shinggyim prat ninggam madang ni pe, makrum madup lulana re. I hope you do enjoy these lessons. Thanks for joining with me. See you next time. Yong pe grai jejugba sai yo phangde bai khrum ga.